Hello, good morning everyone. Today is 2024 February 23rd. So today will be less to be covered today, which is about 6 stocks. Stock picked by the research houses because the update from the resources haven't updated yet. So anyhow, we just proceeding for the stock covers. We're starting with the overnight US markets. We can see that overnight US market is super bullish. S&P 500, Dow Jones, Nasdaq. So S&P 500, Nasdaq both up above 2%. Nasdaq nearly 3%, and Dow Jones up by 1.1%. So it was due to the Nasdaq jump 3% fueled by Nvidia reported earnings over there. So we can see that over the globe, the market is super bullish in China, Japan, India, all over the world, Europe's country, all the countries is in green zone. So are super bullish at this moment, I would say. Yep. So Nvidia bullish rally keep the S&P in record close. So let's starting with the US stock market indexes. So overnight, last two trading days, the Nasdaq, S&P 500 Nasdaq is now testing for the 20 days moving average. So because of the AI technology stocks is jumping higher, so it brings up the Nasdaq index to the record close. And the so as I said, the trending haven't changed yet, still on the uptrend. And we'll have a look on the S&P, so we can see there's a record close, which is 5087 closings. Wow, it's super bullish at this moment in a positive territory, uptrending. Dow Jones as well, 39,000 level. So we can see it's super bullish in the US market. We come back to the Malaysia market at this moment. Malaysia market remain positive uptrending even though overnight closing lower by 6 points, closing at 1545 level. I need to emphasize that the market in the locals Malaysia market is still on a bullish uptrending. So you may still remain invested in the local market as well. So let's starting with the stock picked by research houses. Maybe we can have a look on the Maybank Investment Bank review. They mentioned that overnight rally in the Wall Street will lend support to the local market. Trading, however, will remain choppy ahead of the weekend bricks. Local oil and gas and plantation may stay choppy due to volatile commodity price. Technically, they are expecting the benchmark KLCI to be traded within the range 1540 then 1560 level. So within 20-point range, and the support level is 1505 and 1477. Okay. And so this one is the real. So I would say yes, the major resistance will be somewhere around 1560. Remain the uptrending in the local markets. And I did sharing a news in the Telegram channels, which is China is dropping for the interest rate, for the largest drop in for the first time. I mean, one time off. So to stimulus the economy in the China, I would say this one is again and again, which is an investing moment in the China's. Okay. So other than that, there is webinar. Webinar will be on February 27 next week. You can join it. I will share the link. I already shared the links in the Telegram channel. Maybe later on I will share it in the WhatsApp channel as well. You can get the link and the QR code in the WhatsApp channel as well. You can find it in the description. So we're starting with today's stock pick by the CGS. So for the first one would be the Felda Global, FGV. FGV Holding. So overnight closing 147. They are playing for the rebounding, pullback and reboundings. That potential, the breakout is right over there, coming soon. So the stop loss level is 138 acceptable stop loss level, and the target given is 153, 161, and 167. So 153, maybe I can draw one more line here. 153, 167, and 161. So there are three resistance support target givens. So I would say this one you need to put some patience over there. Be patient to it if you're trading for this one. And then call next topic. Then COMAC. So overnight closing is 47. There's a breakout over there for the resistance. So the potential coming in with the volume 1.6 million traded for the yesterday. So they are expecting for the fueling for the momentums coming in with a stop loss level 4.5, which is about 4.5 cents. 4.5 cents stop loss level acceptable within 10%. And the target given is 5.1 and 5.3 half. So the resistance given is pretty much standard, just acceptable. So this trading plan is quite okay to me. FGV then call yes, correct. So the next topic will be by M Bank, which is OCK. OCK, which has been rallying strong for the past few months. So we can see that the price overnight closing is 58 cents. The stop loss level given is 49 cents. Seems to be too large to me. Too large. But they did mention the entry will be somewhere around 5.4 and 5.8. So if you are sticking to the plan for 49 cents as stop loss level, I would say you may stick to the 54 cents as entry, because we need to control the risk within 10%. Okay. So we zoom out. If you entry 58 cents is unacceptable for the exit at 49 cents. Okay, and the target given is 65 and 70 cents. We zoom out a little bit. 65 and 70 cents. But from what I see here, the major resistance will be somewhere around 60 cent level. So we can see that there's multiple testing right over here, 60 cent level. So if they're expecting to break to 65 cents, seems to be take longer time for it. It might be experiencing some pullback in between after testing the 60 cent level. Okay, so the next research house will be by UOB. The first stock will be Betamac. So they are talking about this one is new listing IPO stock lah. So they are expecting to be a breakout, technical buy on the breakout 4.5 level, the purple line here. So if whenever they are talking about technical breakout, then you can buy stop limit order, to assist you to placing the order. So you no need to monitor whether it break or not. Okay. Another way is you can set a price alert. Whenever they hit the price, then you can placing the apps will notify you the price already hit the price. Then whether you want to place order, you only make decisions. It's up to you. There are two options right over there. So and overnight closing 40 cents. The stop loss level given is 36 cents. So they mentioned technical buy breakout of 415. So meaning that between 415 to 36, the gap seems to be too large to me, which is 5 cent half level, which is around 13% stop loss level. Seems to be too large if you are buying in for the breakout for 1/2. And the target given is 4.7 and 5.1. Acceptable for the resistance target. So if you entry for this one, you need to adjust for the entry or the stop loss level. Okay. So the next stock will be big industry. Overnight closing 6.9. The volume is not attractive at this moment. Why they are calling for this one, I'm not so sure. And by the way, we have a larger picture right over here. Potentially they are calling for this buy is because they are expecting to bounce off the support level. So stop loss level given is 6.4 half, and the target given would be 6.5 and 82 and 88.5. Okay, we zoom a little bit rather than target given is pretty much standard for the resistance, acceptable. It's just the entry level, whether it's good entry or not, I'm not so sure. To me I wouldn't entry at this kind of level. Okay, so if you like it, you may stick to the trading plan and acceptable stop loss level. So the last stock covered by today would be DC Healthcare. So they did mention this one is also IPO listing stocks. They did mention buying the breakout at 3.5. Okay, the purple color line here you can use, as per I mentioned earlier, you can use two strategy, either to set price alert to notify you. Another one will be you can use the system Maybank Trade or Maybank platform to assist you to placing buy stop limit order to buying the breakout 3.5. Okay, and the stop loss level given would be 2.9, and target is 4.2 and 4.7. Stop loss level seems to be too large, which is nearly 19% to 20% level, because your entry at 3.5, right? So the stop loss level would be somewhere around 6 cents. 6 cents seems to be too large to me. I would say stop loss around 18-19%, somewhere right there. So I wouldn't entry at this type of stock because it's still on the downtrend. There's no momentum yet. Yep. So if you want me to choose one of the best stocks from these stock picks, I would go for CGS stock picks. Maybe we have to look on the FGV first. I would prefer FGV among all these stocks, but I will adjust the trading plan. Yep, I will adjust the trading plan if I would like to entry for FGV. Okay, so if you keen to open share investment account, you can check in the link. 如果要开户口，可以在下面的链接找到我的链接啦。有一些视频去教你怎样去在 Maybank 的 platform 网站那边开启户口，记得填写 promo code。And then 如果你想要联系我的话，下面也是有连接去 WhatsApp 我，so 我们从那边来接洽啦。So that's all for today. Thank you very much and goodbye.